Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share this video, a digital marketing course that's going to allow you to learn and earn digital online business and position yourself to make $500 one-time payments directly to your bank account. So this is a high-demand product. We know right now making money online, starting your online business is a hot topic, is a trending topic. It's something that more and more people are coming online to do every day. And so in order to start an online business, you must have the educational piece to go with it that's going to help you get started. And so this is what this opportunity is about. It gives you the opportunity to learn how to start an online business through the digital marketing course and how to earn from it at the same time. And so, for example, for a person who wants to buy a course on how to create a course, once you consume that course, now you still got to create a course. And so that's how you're going to make your money. For the people who want to do their own courses, is buy a course that's going to teach you how to do a course. This here opportunity gives you the opportunity to learn how to build out your online business and allow you to sell the same information to other people who need it just like you did. So I always use myself as an example. When I got started my online journey, or when I got started my brick and mortar business years ago, and I started a tax preparation firm, the one thing I needed to get started with was the ability to prepare individual income taxes first. So I had to go out there and learn. I had to go out there and learn how to do that first. Once I took a course to teach me how to do that, I had to go get some experience, some knowledge, and some confidence. So I went to go work for a firm so I could learn how to actually operate a firm. And this is the same concept here. If you want to come online and start an online business, you want to be able to invest in the digital marketing training that's going to help you do it. See, digital marketing is a broad topic by itself. There's so many moving pieces to digital marketing. We got email marketing, we got social media marketing, we got SEO, we got blogging, we got branding. We have all these different topics under digital marketing. And so we got a digital marketing course that's going to give you the core elements of what you need to learn that's going to help you build out your online business and give you a done-for-you opportunity that's in high demand that's going to allow you to make $500 every time someone buys into you. Because, see, the people who buy from me are the ones who buy into me through the connection I build through my content. My main content is videos. Videos is the most powerful and quickest way to get people to buy into you and connect with you than any other form of content. And so that's why I choose to do video marketing. Regardless of how great I am or not, it won't stop me from doing video marketing. So if you're looking for an online business and a done-for-you opportunity that you can take and resell, where you don't have to try to figure out what you want to sell, you don't have to try to figure out investing in a course on how to make a course, which going to take you months to make happen, then this here is the quickest way to get started. Because this here course is going to give you step-by-step videos on how to get your income system set up. That's the first thing you want to set up. It's the opportunity to resell this to other people who need it just like you do. And so once you get your income system set up and you start to go out here and market, you want to pick one platform that you're going to show up on every day. You're going to do YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. One of those platforms that you're going to show up on every day and be the man or the woman through your marketing message that's going to speak to the target market you want to do business with is going to be the key to that. But the key to you making the money is going to be consistency. You can't come online 30 days, be gone for 30 days, come back for 30 days, be gone for 60 days. You got to be consistent throughout the whole online venture if you want to build up credibility, if you want to build up an audience, if you want to build up a brand, if you want to build up awareness. All those things take consistency because people want to make sure you're going to be there before they invest their money in you. And they want to hope that the person they invest their money in is going to be hands-on in the process. So what you get through buying this course with me is mentorship. You get some additional training and resources that's going to help you better be successful in your online journey, especially if you're new to this. So it's my goal and my desire and my responsibility to help you be successful, to help you win, to help you make money, because I'm here to make money. I ain't here to be your friend. I ain't here to be popular. I'm here to make money. I'm here to provide for my family. I'm here to live the type of lifestyle I want to live because I'm willing to do the work. So if you're looking for online business, a done-for-you opportunity that's in high demand, that gives you the informational part of it, that's going to teach you how to do online business, then this one-time investment of $5 is for you. It comes with a done-for-you system that's free. So the only thing you have to invest other than the $500 is maybe a domain name, which is anywhere from $12 to $1,500. I mean, $12 to $15, which I normally get through GoDaddy. That's the vendor I use for years for all my domain names. And the domain name is simply what you see on the screen. DigitalZoneAcademy.com is my domain name. So you might want to get you one of those that's customized to you and what you want to represent in the marketplace as far as promoting this product. Other than that, the system we give you is free. It's going to allow you to set up your income system because we're going to give you step-by-step videos that's going to show you how to do it. And even with the step-by-step videos, you get through all the training inside this course. If you need my assistance, if you need my help, I'm here to make it happen for you. I'm here to give you more clarity and understanding on what's happening, what's going on, especially for the people that's new on their journey to start an online venture. And then I'm here to set the stage through the mindset piece that you need to acquire, that this is a long-term venture. The success you want to get might not pop off right away like you think it should. So you got to understand that what we are doing is building out a long-term venture. We're building out a business that we can grow into, that's going to grow, that's going to become the vehicle that's going to allow us to change our lifestyle and our life because of the type of income we're going to eventually start to make from it, is what we're building on. So if you want to get something that's, like I said, high demand, it's done for you, has step-by-step videos that come with it. We got pre-built funnels that you're going to get access to that's going to allow you to pattern what we're doing. You can do the same. But if you choose to go off on your own and do your own funnel and do your own creation, that's fine too. There's no right or wrong when it comes to that. But we're just giving you a shortcut method to getting started really quick, especially if you don't have no experience in putting together funnels and putting together these things that's going to allow you to have your income system ready. We have them already ready for you. You just have to modify them to make it look like what you wanted to say. You can change the colors. You can put your logo up, put your icon up, put your marketing phrase or message up. All these different things you want to make yours to fit who you're going to be when it comes to having your online business. And that doesn't have to start right away, but the bottom line is that's something you want to look forward to doing once you get situated, once you start to get comfortable with learning how to do business through this digital marketing course, and then start to make money from it. Then you want to consume and learn from all the different topics that's inside this course. Implement those things inside your business so you can build a brand that you can be proud of. You can build a brand that you can pass on to your family or your children. So I'm here to help you succeed. I'm here to help you with an opportunity to start your online journey really quick with an affordable one-time investment of $500 and a high-demand course that's going to teach you how to do business by investing in an online business course that's going to teach you how to do that. If you need to talk to me because you got some questions you need me to answer that's going to help you make a buying decision, you can reach out to me at 773-782-1320. Our contact information will be inside the description of all my videos on YouTube. And I'll see you in my next.